draw a line to connect each school supply to the object that has the same function.
Does this go there?
Let me see.
Does this go there?
It has to be the same function. Yes, that's correct. That's a ruler.
Ruler goes to here.
Yeah. Okay, that's what you use to make a straight line. That is what? What do you call that?
Eraser? Eraser.
Correct. What else? Correct. What else? Good job.
I'm a great cooker.
You're a great cook. Okay, next.
Uh,
In this one, you have to connect things that belong to the same group. Can you do that? Okay, start. What's that? The baby?
Baby, mommy, and daddy.
Correct. Next. Wow, what's that?
Shark and stingray.
Correct. Is that a stingray? Oh yeah. What's next? What's that?
Giraffe and monkey and giraffe.
Correct. Next.
Ladybug and ant.
Why?
Because they're best together.
They're both what?
Buggy.
Yeah, they're both insects.
Buggy.
Buggies, correct. Now, this one, you have to choose 4 pictures in the outer purple circles that best relate to the picture in the inner yellow circle. What is inside the yellow circle? What's that?
A doctor.
Okay, so it has to relate to a doctor. So,
This.
can you choose a picture? What's that?
Sticker stone.
Okay, connect the dot to it. To the yellow. Trace it. Good job. Okay, what's next? What's that?
I don't know.
A syringe.
A syringe to shot yourself.
Good. What else? What's that?
A temperature.
It's a thermometer. That's what you use for temperature, correct? Now, what's next?
The doctor.
What is that?
A doctor.
No, it's a nurse.
A nurse.
You're correct. So,
That
this one doesn't relate to a doctor?
This either.
Yeah. Neither. Very good. What else?
Nope. Right?
Yeah. What's that? What do you call that?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. What else? Correct. What else? Very good.
Very good.
You see these ones, right? There's a red circle, yellow. Look at this. Vera. Vera, you're already here, okay?
Okay.
Listen to me first, the instruction. Listen always to the instruction. So in this box, you see different shapes, right? Can you hold, Vera? In this box, you see different shapes, right? Red circle, yellow triangle, blue square. What's next? Red circle, yellow triangle. What's next?
The blue square.
Blue square. So, you have the answers here. You have to shade the circle of the right answer. So, where's the blue square there?
Here.
Very good. So, you have to shade. So, for you not to be confused, Vera, it's always from top to bottom. You have to answer the question from top to bottom. The answers are always at the bottom and you have to shade it. Okay?
Okay.
Understand? So, what's the next question?
Yellow,
Orange.
red,
Then,
yellow,
what's next?
nope,
Again.
orange.
Yeah. Orange. So, what's the answer? You shade the right answer. Very good. Okay, good job. Okay, what's next?
Right, left, left,
What's next?
right, right.
Okay, so shade the correct answer. Very good. Okay, next page, please. Next page.
Okay, I'm almost there.
Okay. what
Now
does
we do
it-
this first. Do this first.
No, we have to start from the top to the bottom because you're gonna get confused.
Okay.
So top first.
Okay.
What does it say?
Pencil, book, and erase. Pencil, book.
And then what's next? What do you call that?
A erase.
Ruler, Vera, not row race. Ruler. Okay? Correct. Your answer is correct. But that's what you call
Now
ruler.
this turn.
Okay.
To the left first.
What do you call this again, Vera?
Erase.
Ruler, not row race. Ruler.
Now do
Can you
this.
say ruler, baby?
Ruler?
Okay, good. Okay, next. Okay, you see first, look at the question first. What do you see on the box?
It says
What does it say?
bear, monkey, giraffe. Bear, monkey,
What's the next?
giraffe.
Very good. Again, so incomplete square, square. Incomplete triangle, triangle. Incomplete square, square. Incomplete triangle, what's the answer? What do you call that?
Triangle.
Okay, good. Remove their sipon. Okay, next. What do you call this? Question mark,
Question mark A.
ampersand, and exclamation point. Next. Question mark,
Question mark A.
exclamation point.
Exclamation point.
Then, question mark,
Question mark A.
then, what's next? Okay, shade it. What do you call it again? Exclamation point.
Exclamation point. Down, right, down. Down, right.
Again. Right,
Down. Right, down. Right.
what's next? Okay, shade it. What do you call that? Down.
Down.
Pointing down. Okay.
Pointing down.
Good job. Next. Next page. Okay, what do you see?
What's this?
Okay, you have here, right?
No.
It's a flower, like a flower, right?
Flower.
What's this?
E.
Squares in a square, right?
Squares in the square like a
Then,
nut.
this one's triangle in a square.
Yes.
Now, back to flower in a square, right?
Yes.
Next, squares in a square. What's next? See? You always do that. I told you to just sit down eh. Again. Of course, you forgot what happened.
This one. This
Again,
one.
again. Listen to me first. Listen.
Flower.
Flower in a square, squares in a square, triangles in a square, right? Flower in a square, square in a square. What's next? Very good. Okay. Okay. What do you call this?
Cylinder. Cube. Triangle. Cylinder.
What's next?
Cube.
Okay. Good job.